class 4. Hope my dear students are doing their home assignments as well as they are following the videos, not only in my subjects, and the rest of the subjects also you are following. So with this, let's begin our today's lesson. As we have already completed the digestive system that was related in the chapter 3. So that's a continuation of chapter 3 that we are going to deal today. Okay. First of all, we have to know what do you mean by excretory system. So for that, please turn on page number 24. Refer to the chapter 3 on page number 24. Yes, this is the continuation of the same chapter, and that is the topic for the day is the excretory system. Now, what do you mean by excretory system? Here, the excretory system is the organ system responsible for removing waste from our body, and the process of removal of waste from the body through the excretory excretory system is called excretion. Yes, excretory system is an organ system that deals with removal of waste from the body, and there are mainly how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 organs that are responsible for excretion or removal of waste from our body. So let's see their functions. Here we have mainly 4 organs that they are as follows: the pair of kidneys, pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. So what is the function of pair of kidneys? Here you can see the bean-like structure of this organ. Okay, the main function of this the pair of kidneys is to first it filters and it removes the waste. It removes the waste, salts, and extra water from the blood. As when this extra waste is removed from the blood, it is then what happens? Those waste change into urine, and from them those urines are passed through this small tubes. You can see the picture here. These 2 small tubes are known as the pair of ureters. The main function of these ureters are just to pass the waste from the pair of kidneys to the urinary bladder. Okay. So after that, then we see there is a urinary bladder. The main function of this urinary bladder is to store the waste for some short period of time. Then after those urine or the waste is been removed through urethra. So these are the main organs of the excretory system. Along with these are the main organs of the excretory system. Okay. So in order to have a healthy eating and in order to have a very healthy habits related to the digestion and excretory system, first of all, in order to make the proper functioning of digestion and excretory system, okay, the main things that you have to keep in your mind are the things that you have to follow in your day-to-day life is, first of all, you need to wash your hands regularly before or after meal. That is very most important. And you have to add a diet or a food that is rich in fiber. That helps in excretory system or excretory organ to function properly. And you always need to drink plenty of water for the proper digestion as well as to remove the waste from the body. Along with that, when it is better to limit yourself eating too much of fats and sugar, which is not good for your health. And related to your daily work, you need to do a lot of exercises, okay, in order to remove the waste, that is unwanted waste in our body through the sweat. Along with that, when you eat a small proportion or a small amount in every regular interval. Do not overeat it. Okay? Take a meal, you take a time, but you do not overeat it. You have to have a regular meal, but don't overeat it. And yes, you need to always eat slowly as well as chew properly. Why? In order to make this system, that is for as well as for the digestion and excretory, okay, excretion of the waste material, waste from our body. So these are the things that you have to keep in your mind. Along with that, today we have to learn. We know that how important is water. Water is very essential for every living being or for everyone. As here, how water is important for us. So that is, as you drink water, as we have learned in the previous video also about regarding the digestion. What happens when you drink water? Water helps in a digestion of food in a small intestine, right? As when unwanted or undigested food, when it passes to the larger intestine, the water that is which will be that have been removed from the unwanted food, it helps into making the feces or the waste of from the undigested food. So along with that, we need to drink plenty of water, which not only helps in the digestion, it helps our body to be in a balanced form, and it maintains our body so that we have got a regular, proper functioning of excretory system, so that we will not have any problem in digestion as well as excretion, right? So this is the lesson that we have learned for the day, and with this we have completed the chapter 3. And with this video, you go through the content of your chapter 3. You can read it by yourself, as there's a lot of illustration with the pictures, with examples, and lots of examples are given there, so you can understand it in a much better way. So with this, be at home, stay safe. Thank you.